Yeah, just to confirm, meron pong more than, I think, on more than 10 versions that have already been referred to the committee, to my committee. And isa sa pinag-uusapan natin, whether we would come out with a report, a committee report, that would avoid possible legal troubles, no? Kasi meron po, we also being guided by the Makalintal case, the ruling of the Supreme Court, as well as to make sure that whatever it would be, the step that the committee would take, no, moving forward, ay hindi siya violative doon sa sinabing ruling na yun ng court. So, yes, we are also conscious about the timeline kasi nagpa-prepare na po ang COMELEC. Ang sinasabi po is should there be any postponement or rescheduling or resetting the date of the election for the BSK, sana mas mabilis. That's why ginagawa po natin, hopefully by next week ay itutuloy po natin yung hearing na yon para yung pinaka-intention really about the resetting the election of the BSK ay mapunta doon sa pinaka-reason kung bakit ito i-reschedule, in which is that the country is now facing an energy crisis, no? Para po hindi magkaroon po ng sinasabi po nilang election fatigue, because in the first place dito po sa region namin sa BAR magkakaroon din po ng BARM election, first regular BARM election. So definitely we will be we're looking at coming up with a committee report on before the end of this month, no? But we are not confirming whether this committee report would really ought to postpone or to reset the election. Kasi magkaiba po yung ibig sabihin niyang postponement and resetting and fixing. Kaya nga po pinag-uusapan natin dito sa committee ay yung mga possible na legal na po pwedeng ma-violate niya as to the Makalintal ruling para maiwasan po natin in how to properly address the intention to reschedule the barangay election without necessarily violating any rules or any rulings of the Supreme Court, and as well as to also exercise the power of the House to fix or to reset the election for the BSK election. Meron pong isang 1 year yung magiging next na election, kumbaga 1 year yung magiging rescheduling, meron namang 2 years. Ang iniisip din natin dito, kung next year siya, ang sinabi ng COMELEC, it would be on November of next year, no? So next year kasi magsa-start na rin po yung filing for the presidential national and local election. So baka magkaroon din po ng problema kasi magpe-prepare din po ang COMELEC nung mga magpe-prepare po ng COMELEC to accept nomination, CONA, and registry, and as well as yung pag-file ng mga senador, presidente next year. So yun din po yung isa na tinitingnan namin. Of course, we don't also want to burden COMELEC with much work, no? Kaya isa po sa mga version na ang tinitingnan is after the 2028 presidential election, doon mag-conduct ng barangay and sanggunian kabataan elections. So may mga differences po ng versions. What I'm telling you right now is that we are currently discussing it in how to consolidate these different and various versions.